Good evening. My name is Daniel Barrios. I am marketing and advertising student. I am the eighth semester. I am 52 years old. I am currently studying at the University of Compensar. Tonight, I am going to tell you about the movie Avengers Endgame. This movie has many characters which are very important. We have the Captain America. Captain America is a which has a shield made of vibranium. That is powerful metal. Mm, Powerful metal. We also have a man, Iron Man, which which has that's a lot of power and the technology. Next, Hulk. Hulk, who is a character green, which are many muscles and the mates of very powerful radioactivity. There are bad characters like Thanos. Thanos, okay, Thanos. Thanos, who has and the gems and the gems of infinity, that are of space energy. He lights on several planets which are very from on the heart, like Jupiter and Saturn, which are on grid and the gravity that's which of stardust. Finally, who has an Thor? Thor, uh, Thor is a character who has an iron hammer, that which has a good power for universals, electricity, electricity, anyone. To finish, I will present to beautiful Scarlet Scarlet Witch. Scarlet Witch, who has an impressive and very powerful powers of any enemy. Uh, okay, that's you very much. See you later. Okay, goodbye.